Sustainability. It matters to all of us, and it especially matters to dairy farmers. In fact, dairy is committed to being an environmental solution, raising the bar on social and environmental responsibility. Because to dairy farmers, taking care of the environment matters just as much as taking care of their cows, their families, and our communities. And it's been happening for generations. Dairy farmers are rooted in their values and high standards, passed down from fathers and mothers to sons and daughters, with each generation improving on those standards.
Generations ahead of me gave me the opportunity that today I get to run a business and do what I love to do. So I do my part to ensure that the generations following me get that same opportunity.
Great strides have already been made. In just the last decade, producing a gallon of milk has required 30% less water, 21% less land, and has a 19% smaller carbon footprint. Dairy farms across the country are increasingly adopting conservation tillage, diverse crop rotations, and cover crops to improve soil health and sequester carbon. They're upcycling and using precision feed management to maximize cow health and on-farm efficiencies to produce milk in a sustainable way. Dairy farmers are using innovative manure management technologies to produce renewable energy, minimize emissions, and reduce impacts on air and water quality.
Dairymen are the original environmentalists. This is recycling water, recycling sand, and keeping cows clean and comfortable.
Today, U.S. dairy's greenhouse gas footprint is just 2% of the U.S. total, but we know there's more work to do, more progress to be made toward a sustainable future. U.S. dairy is on the path to net zero. By 2050, the dairy community will become carbon neutral or better, optimize water use and maximize recycling, and manage manure and nutrients to improve water quality. To reach these goals, the U.S. dairy supply chain is working together to ignite new technology, increase science-based research, and expand practices, resources, and tools for more dairy farmers, processors, and companies.
We're doing everything we can to be environmentally conscientious and basically taking care of our land, taking care of the earth. Why does that matter? It matters because we have generations coming. My forefathers created this for our generation. We have more generations coming. I want it to be well respected, well taken care of, well maintained.
The challenge facing all of us remains real, which is why we must all do our part. These goals are part of an ongoing commitment by dairy farmers to nourish people and communities, while also caring for their cows and the environment. U.S. Dairy's commitment to do the right thing for our planet is, and always will be, sustainable.